Alright YouTube, what's up? I'm back, and today we're doing a Veloster video. It's been a while since you guys seen the Veloster on here. It's been a while since I made any updates on social media in general on the Veloster, but so far I have had some things done to it. Let me show you. And my guy, Davon, he owns DKG Fabrications. I had him make my own cold air intake. All TIG welded through, 4 polished stainless, all handmade. Beautiful. And same deal for my exhaust. Mind me, it doesn't look too pretty. Car's pretty dirty. But I did a muffler delete. Same deal, pretty much an axle back, if you will. But it sounds great. Everything about this car sounds great. But what we're gonna do, we're going to pull off the front bumper and we are going to put on a blow-off valve sound plate, which let me show you guys this right here. It's this little thing right here. This attaches in between the normal blow-by valve, which hopefully this will get more noise than just taking out the recirculation hose, which is what I have done to it right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Phillips fastener right here. Got four bolts right there, and then another one there on the other side. And then it doesn't look like there's anything in the wheel wells that I can see yet. And there should be a bunch along the bottom. I do not know the exact location of them, but I guess I'm gonna find out. There's a 10mm bolt, goes right in just like that. And then I thought there was just those couple all along the edges, but no, I was wrong as well. Gotta undo the ones for the splash guard right here, which it looks like they're just 3, maybe 10mm bolts as well. So let's get that off now. Okay, well I just realized I didn't hit record, but I pulled up the front bumper, so there we go. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was. Here, I was actually wrong too on the placement too. There's 2 more right here and right there. You could feel them with your hands if you follow along this. Underneath you feel it, and then just a little plastic Phillips fasteners. All right, now for the easy part. Put the new one on. So, if I remember correctly, this is supposed to go towards the motor end. So, pull these off. See if these ones will even. These grade 8 screws will work, or bolts. Okay, take that as a solid yes. So. So I don't need all these nuts either that are on here. Making life a lot easier on me. Bolts that came with it, keep in mind this wasn't for a Veloster turbo, it's for a Honda Civic Si. They're too short, so that means I gotta go run to the store and get some. Alright, now off to Home Depot or Lowe's we go. Probably Lowe's because it's closer for me. And for anybody curious on the specs of these screws, in case you do, or sorry, bolts in case you do need to buy a new one, it is a M6 by 1 by 40. I think I could have went with a 50, but hopefully the 40 is good enough, so let's go. A hole in the middle, it's facing upwards, and that's it. You keep the factory plate on here for the recirculating hose, which the hose would attach right here, come through the radiator support right there, and it would connect to the intake. But again, I don't need that, so let's real quickly slap the front license plate on it and go for a quick drive around the block. Yeah, this looks crazy. Time for a quick road test now. Tear up it on the street because my wheel well liners are a little flopping around and they're gonna touch the tire, and I don't want them to be flopping around too much. Like 20 times better already. Oh my god. Sorry about the horrible video quality too, or the shaking recording while I'm driving. more prominent. And I was driving it fairly normally too. God, that is so nice.